New Orleans is the undisputed king of seafood boils. This vibrant city, known for its rich history, jazz music, and Mardi Gras celebrations, also boasts a culinary scene that is second to none. The seafood boils here are legendary, drawing food lovers from all over the world to experience the unique blend of spices and flavors that define this southern tradition. From spicy Cajun crawfish to buttery garlic crab legs, the variety of seafood boils in New Orleans is astounding. Each dish tells a story of cultural fusion with influences from French, Spanish, African, and Caribbean cuisines. The crawfish boil, for instance, is a communal feast where friends and family gather around a table piled high with steaming seasoned crawfish, corn, and potatoes. These dishes are packed with bold flavors and southern soul. The secret lies in the seasoning, a perfect blend of spices that gives each bite a kick. Whether it's the heat from the cayenne pepper or the tang from the lemon, every ingredient plays a crucial role in creating a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. Today, we're counting down the top 5 must-try seafood boil recipes straight from New Orleans. These recipes have been passed down through generations, each one a testament to the city's love for good food and good times. From the classic crawfish boil to innovative twists like shrimp and sausage boils, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Grab your bibs because things are about to get messy and delicious. Let's dive in. Whether you're a seasoned seafood lover or a curious foodie, this journey through New Orleans seafood boils will leave you craving for more. So get ready to savor the flavors, embrace the mess, and enjoy the feast. Top 5 New Orleans seafood boil recipes. Nothing beats sucking the head of a juicy, spicy crawfish. Have you ever tried it? Let me know in the comments. If you love garlic butter seafood, drop a crab emoji in the comments. This one is a fan favorite. Pro tip, dip your shrimp in extra Cajun butter for the ultimate bite. Who's hungry? Lobster in a spicy seafood boil? Yes please. Would you try this recipe? Comment fire emoji if you're in. This is the seafood boil of your dreams. Imagine the freshest shrimp, succulent crab legs, and juicy corn on the cob, all seasoned to perfection. If you could build your perfect boil, what's going in? Would you add spicy andouille sausage, tender potatoes, or maybe some clams? The possibilities are endless. Picture the aroma filling the air, the sound of the boil bubbling away, and the anticipation of that first delicious bite. Tell me in the comments what your ultimate seafood boil looks like. Do you have a secret ingredient or a special family recipe? We want to hear all about it. Alright seafood lovers, thanks for joining us on this delicious journey through the world of seafood boils. We've explored some incredible dishes today, each with its own unique flavors and ingredients. From the spicy Cajun boils to the buttery garlic seafood feasts, there's something for everyone to enjoy. So which of these seafood boils are you trying first? Are you a fan of the classic shrimp and crab combo? Or do you prefer something a bit more adventurous like lobster and clams? Maybe you're excited to try a new seasoning blend or a different cooking method. Drop a comment below and let's talk food. We love hearing your thoughts and experiences. Have you tried making a seafood boil at home? What's your favorite recipe or secret ingredient? Share your tips and tricks with our community. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more mouth-watering adventures from Bucket List Adventures. We've got plenty more culinary journeys planned, from street food tours to gourmet dining experiences. Your support helps us bring you the best food content out there. See you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep enjoying the amazing world of food. Bon appétit.